guys, it's me Brown with another video, and I'm going to be doing another art tutorial. And today we are going to be doing kind of like the scenery, but we're going to do a little mix. So, but you guys see, so all you want to do, let me get something. I know, well, what you want to do, so all you need is a ruler and something, or you just need something that you can draw a straight line, or you can just draw a straight line. But guys, all you need is a pencil, crayons, and color pencils, but I'm not going to be coloring this, but you can color whatever you want. So first, what you want to do, you have to grab your pencil, and then, draw a straight line in the center or middle. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna do the rest. That was not straight at all, but so it should look like this. And then you're just gonna draw a little dot in the middle of the line. So this little line will be kind of like the horizon. And then it should look like this. You see the little dot? Okay, and then what you want to do is just draw not really a wide line, but just a line so it'll look like this. So basically we're drawing the road. It's gonna look like 3D, kind of. And then gotta draw another one as it gets smaller and smaller. Oops. And do the same thing on the other side. So it should look like this. And then, you know, there's some little lines on the road. If you ever notice, you might have, you might not, but a little cool. And then what you'll want to do, so you'll come up here and draw some mountains. I want to draw the mountains. You can draw whatever you want up here, as whatever's perfect for you. You know, we have our own opinions, so. So it should look like this if you're drawing the mountains, but that's not all you want to do. You're just going to draw a little zigzag line. Doesn't have to look perfect. It can be whatever way. It can be like up like this. You'll see, guys. It can be up like that. You'll see. It doesn't have to look perfect, but this is what I did. And then what you're gonna do is draw a sun. Kind of different what you're not seeing. And yeah, it's pretty big. Or you can just lower it so it won't look that big. I'm sorry. It's okay if you mess up. Say it's happened. So it should look like this. And what you want to do is draw, I guess, a little clouds and a little birds. You can draw your birds however you want. I draw my birds like the easy. You can add however many you want. Use your creativity. I'm gonna draw another cloud. So it should look like this, maybe. And now we'll just go to the ground. So you can do a desert, you can do a field, you can do like anything you want down here, like you know where the ground is. So you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna draw a nice little desert. Oops. Just a little miss. And you know, you have to have them cacti, them prickly cacti. And you might, if you ever go to like Arizona or Texas, they might have a few deserts. Or like if you go to any desert, they might have these little bushes, these little bush shrubs. I don't know what they're called, but I know they're some sort of bushes. Comment down below if you live in Arizona or Texas. Or just comment down below where you live. I just want to read the comments and then just like be like, wow, that's pretty good. That's pretty. And I might comment down below that I might have been there. Maybe a lot, like a lot. Okay? So, my first cacti, you can draw however many you want. And then I'm gonna draw a shrub. Oops, that was kind of, who cares? The shrub doesn't have to look perfect. Or a shrub bush, I guess. Whatever you want to call it. That sound is like horrendous. Okay, the shrub. I'm gonna draw another cactus. You don't have to draw a car on the road. But if you want to, I guess you can. And they might have a little mountains in the desert, maybe. I'm pretty sure they do, right? I'm gonna keep putting it like that. Okay, now draw the prickles or the needles. I say needles, prickles. There's a lot of ways you can explain these little spikes. Spikes, spikes, and needles, and prickles. That's it. What else can you call cacti? Cacti spikes. Okay, but anyways, guys, I'm just gonna draw one more bush on the road. And then maybe they're like a little wind kind of, so I'm gonna just draw little lines because there might be a little wind, right? But guys, this is what it turned out to be. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and how you can make this. Share this channel with your friends and family. And comment down below where you live, like I said during the video. But guys, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.